Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2021 Volvo XC40 T5 R-Design. This is an Onyx black metallic with a charcoal nubuck and Napa leather interior. This has just over 10,000 miles on it. It has load bars up top, 20-inch R-Design wheels. The exterior styling kit gives you the silver pieces on the bottom and along the bumpers. The advanced package gives you the 360-degree camera system and pilot assist with adaptive cruise control. There's keyless entry, a giant panoramic sunroof with a power sunshade, adjustable hands-free power liftgate, the grocery divider in the back, so this pops right up and goes into the slots there. You can hang your bags on these little hooks here, little power out back, and you can even store this luggage cover right underneath if you don't use that. If you'd rather have, dogs and a dog gate in the back instead. This has the climate package, so you get heated front and rear seats and a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel. It has the Harman Kardon stereo system. This has metal pedals, cool R-Design steering wheel with the perforated leather on the sides. Your ignition switch is right here. There's a wireless phone charger, a couple of places to plug in. If you plug in on top, you'll be able to access Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Climate control is all along the bottom here. Seat controls there. If I click this button, that will bring us back to the home screen. Off to the left, you have your vehicle functions. That 360-degree camera system is great for parking. Choose a different camera for a better view of what's all around you. And this is an R-Design, so let's get into settings and my car. Under displays, let's do performance. Now we have a red digital driver display and red lines. We'll go back here and I can also change what's in the center of your digital driver display. You can have the map, whatever your current media is, or just keep it blank and sporty. There's a lot to know about this little XC40. It's available for immediate delivery on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. It's stock number 230A. And I'll add a link in the description box below with all the details, so check it out. Come see us. Thank you so much for watching from Portland Volvo. We'll see you soon.